I'm Jen Taylor with Coldwell Banker Premier Realty. Welcome to this beautiful single-story home at 24 Reflection Cove in coveted Lake Las Vegas on Reflection Bay Golf Course. Lake Las Vegas offers more than just a community, it's a lifestyle. They have championship golf courses, hiking, biking, walking trails, water sports, and fine dining. Relax poolside or entertain your friends and family while you practice your swing on your own putting green located right on Reflection Bay Golf Course. Once again, my name is Jen Taylor with Coldwell Banker. If you'd like a private tour of this home or any other homes in the valley, contact me.